You may not believe this, but 4 ingredients made the North Indian Korma evolve into the Southern Indian Kurma as we know it today. Hello, Namaste Salam Satsriakal. I'm Piyali Mutha and I'm cooking Nilgiri Chicken Korma or Kurma. Many believe this dish is named after the Nilgiri hills, hence the green tinged gravy. Food researcher and chef Sri Bala thinks the North Indian cooks who worked in the kitchen of the officers of the British Raj introduced South India to korma, which with the addition of 4 ingredients, fennel seeds, coconut, mint and coriander leaves, became kurma. Popularized by the clubs and hotels in Chennai, the vegetarian Nilgiri Kurma progressed into chicken and mutton later on. To begin, marinate the chicken and then make the white paste, followed by the green paste. All ingredients are listed in the caption below. In hot oil, fry onions till golden in color. Add the marinated chicken and fry it for a few minutes. Cover and cook the chicken until done. Add the white paste and mix nicely. Season with salt, add kurma masala powder and mix everything nicely. Add the green paste and mix well. Delish Nilgiri Chicken Korma is ready to serve. Save this reel and cook this amazing dish on a special occasion.